Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheesecake tarts using an easy method. Start with a simple crust. You can use store-bought mini phyllo shells for ultimate ease, or quickly make a graham cracker crust. Just combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into mini muffin tins, then bake for about 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This creates a delicious, sturdy base for your tarts. Now for the star, the creamy filling. In a bowl, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Then, gradually add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. Finally, gently fold in 1 large egg. Remember, don't overmix, as this can make your tarts crack. Room temperature ingredients are key for a silky smooth batter. It's time to bake these delightful treats. Carefully spoon your cheesecake filling into each prepared crust, filling them about 3/4 full. Place your mini muffin tin or phyllo shells on a baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes. The centers should still have a slight jiggle when you take them out. They will firm up as they cool. Patience is a virtue, especially with cheesecake. Once baked, let your mini tarts cool completely on a wire rack. This prevents condensation and ensures a perfect texture. Then, transfer them to the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours or even overnight. Before serving, get creative with toppings. Fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate, or a spoonful of fruit compote are all fantastic choices. Enjoy your easy, delicious cheesecake tarts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.